Business moves fast. In supply chain and warehouse operations, every second counts. Discover WiSys AI Agility Intelligence. Available now for a limited time free trial. Fully embedded into your workflows, this intelligence bundle has 4 AI solutions designed to automate tasks. AI Agent. AI Agent lets you talk to your ERP system like you talk to a coworker. Instead of digging through your data, you can simply ask questions and get answers. It makes your ERP as easy to use as Google or Siri, turning complex data into simple, immediate answers. AI Interpreter. Think of AI Interpreter as a smart assistant for order entry, replacing your old manual entry processes with an efficient drag-and-drop tool. Our AI Interpreter reads the order automatically and inputs it directly into your system. Your team gets orders flowing into your ERP system instantly, ready to pick, pack, and ship, saving time, reducing errors, and keeping your supply chain moving smoothly. AI Packing. AI packing is like having a digital packing expert built into your system. Instead of relying on guesswork or trial and error, the AI looks at products, sizes, and quantities and automatically figures out the most efficient solution for packing. It's like giving every packer the experience of your best warehouse veteran, making sure every order goes out in the right box at the right cost. AI Fusion Production Scheduling. Think of the AI Fusion Production Scheduler as a master planner that never rests. The AI looks at everything that matters: priorities, due dates, machines, employees, materials. Then it builds the most efficient production plan automatically and adapts instantly when the priorities shift, machines break, or new orders come in. It's like upgrading from a static spreadsheet to a living, breathing scheduler, one that constantly optimizes production so you can deliver more, faster, and with fewer headaches. With WiSys AI Agility Intelligence, your ERP works as fast as your operations. Try it free now and see the difference. WiSys, business connected.